Welcome to ConsumerFlix, your go-to spot for the latest drone leaks, reviews, and comparisons. Helicopter. Today, we've got exciting news. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has been leaked, and it's packing some serious design upgrades. From improved aerodynamics to next-gen camera features, this could be DJI's biggest mini drone leap yet. We'll break down all the leaked specs, images, and what they mean for drone fans in 2025. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're always first to know what's flying in next on ConsumerFlix. Enhanced gimbal mechanics for dynamic shots. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro introduces a more flexible gimbal design, allowing for improved tilt and vertical shooting, which is a step ahead of Canon's older drone models. This gives content creators more dynamic angles and smoother footage when tracking subjects or capturing cinematic reveals. Accessibility for both beginners and pros. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro remains user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. Features like auto takeoff, intelligent return to home, and flight tutorials offer a smoother entry point. Canon's earlier models were more manual in control and lacked the same level of built-in guidance, which makes DJI's offering more accessible to a wider user base. Enhanced camera sensor for sharper imagery. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro steps up with a larger 1-inch sensor and improved aperture control, delivering better low-light performance and higher clarity in 4K HDR recording. Canon's earlier drone models, while decent, often struggled with dynamic range and overexposure in bright conditions. DJI's newer model also benefits from superior color science and frame rate flexibility. Software ecosystem and post-production ease. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro works seamlessly with the DJI Fly app, offering live editing, quick transfers, and intelligent shooting templates. Compared to Canon's earlier software, which lacked user-friendly integration, DJI's approach enhances the workflow for content creators. Tools like MasterShots and QuickShots automate complex maneuvers that would be difficult manually. Enhanced transmission and connectivity. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a next-generation transmission system, delivering extended range, lower latency, and more stable connectivity. With advancements in Wi-Fi and upgraded OcuSync technology, users can expect real-time, high-quality video transmission, even in challenging signal environments. Flight stability and intelligent control. DJI Mini 5 Pro. This model features tridirectional obstacle sensors, enabling safer and more accurate automated flight paths. When compared with Canon's limited sensor coverage, DJI's use of AI and obstacle avoidance allows for smoother tracking and more complex cinematic movements. It's ideal for both manual pilots and users relying on intelligent flight modes. Battery performance and flight range. DJI Mini 5 Pro. With up to 34 minutes of flight time and optional extended battery packs, the Mini 5 Pro allows for longer creative sessions. Canon's older drones often hovered around the 20-minute mark with weaker transmission ranges. DJI also boosts the Mini 5 Pro's range with OcuSync 3.0, ensuring strong, low-latency connections over larger distances. Compact design with advanced aerodynamics. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains its ultra-lightweight form but introduces a more aerodynamic frame, offering better wind resistance and flight stability. Compared to Canon's earlier consumer drones, which were bulkier and less refined, the Mini 5 Pro is far more travel-friendly without sacrificing strength. The foldable design makes it ideal for creators constantly on the move. Weather resistance and outdoor reliability. DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI has subtly improved the Mini 5 Pro's resistance to wind and environmental challenges, making it more reliable in outdoor shoots. While Canon's older drones were more limited in handling rough conditions, the Mini 5 Pro can now fly steadily even with moderate gusts, giving creators more freedom to capture dynamic landscapes and action scenes. Real-time video transmission and FPV compatibility. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro introduces enhanced real-time video transmission with minimal latency, which is a significant leap compared to Canon's previous models. It supports crisp 1080p live view even over long distances, and while not built for FPV racing, it supports third-party accessories that bring immersive flight experiences closer to high-end drones. Compact design with professional features. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Despite its small frame, the Mini 5 Pro integrates professional-grade features like obstacle sensing, 4K HDR, and advanced flight modes. Compared to Canon's previous consumer drones, this blend of portability and power makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced flyers wanting high-quality results without bulk. Next-level battery optimization for longer flights. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro pushes the boundaries of flight duration with its upgraded intelligent battery, offering longer airborne sessions compared to previous Canon drone iterations. This means more time capturing footage and less time grounded charging up. Refined noise reduction for stealthier operation. DJI Mini 5 Pro. This model also features improved propeller and motor designs that result in quieter flights, giving it an edge over older Canon drones. Whether you're filming wildlife or urban environments, the reduced noise profile helps you stay discreet and undisturbed. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a significant upgrade over its predecessors, blending powerful features with a lightweight design. Its enhanced camera quality, longer flight time, and intelligent tracking make it a top choice for content creators. Compared to older Canon drone alternatives, it excels in portability and AI-driven flight modes. The improved obstacle avoidance and low-light performance add to its reliability. For users seeking a compact yet capable drone, the Mini 5 Pro delivers excellent value. It's a strong contender in the mid-range drone market. Thanks for watching ConsumerFlix. Helicopter, what are your thoughts on the DJI Mini 5 Pro leaks? Worth the hype or wait for more? Drop your opinions in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for all the latest drone updates, leaks, and reviews. See you in the next flight.